Let's get up here and see how bad this duct is. Well, this thing's down to 54% and it's just been sitting for a couple of weeks. Ain't even been used. Yeah, it's gotta be a 12 or 14. Lovely. Of course, they put these freaking brackets right here where you're trying to get up in here. You gotta sit on something, skip over without cutting yourself on the damn braces. Yeah, this is what I gotta fix. Just get some of this off. I'll probably end up having to replace this whole section, which would probably be the wiser idea. Try to save as much of this as you can. Dang. Freaking idiot collapsed this. Lots of rodent damage, unfortunately, on this. Lots of yummy. Use this board to sit on. Yeah. Oh damn, yeah, that's busted open right there. Go figure. Fucking duct tape. Oh shit. Alright, it's loose now. Yep, that elbow's broken. Oh damn. Yep, that elbow's broken. It looks like it's at another joint. Yep, another joint right there. 12. That sounds about right. So 12 by 5 and an elbow. Golly, that thing is like crushed flat. Hang time, dummies. Alright, let's see if I can get this done for the battery drops off or before I fall. And of course my headlamp dies. Alright, it's about as round as I'm gonna get because I can't find 12-inch at any of the Home Depot or Lowe's that's around here that's still open. Let's get this sucker wrestled back into the attic. Alright, there we go, boys. You know, grade A hack job. Just gotta put this back on and tie it on. Alright, all the ties are installed. I had to patch that down there where rodents damaged it. That's 2.5 layers of the radiant insulation, because that's all I had on me, and it'll work. Alright, done with this project for now.